everyone, at this point, you should have signed up for the Australia's Next Top Trader competition and set up your account with Stake. Now we're going to get into some detail and talk about some tips and tricks to help you maximize your 6 weeks trading. To help us out, we've got Matt, who's the head of trading at Stake. So Matt, what are your key tips, or what's the number one key tip to make the most out of this competition?
Definitely cut your losses. I think that would be the same for any period of time you're investing in. 6 weeks, 6 years, 60 years.
Yeah.
Cut your losses and you'll be around for a long time.
And what are some key ways that we can cut our losses and make sure we're not losing too much through Stake?
Yeah, so obviously we don't plan for anyone to lose. The goal is to increase your wealth, but the key to that is risk management is the most important thing, and not enough people talk about it. You can stay in the market for as long as you like if you've got a really good risk management process. And risk management is knowing how much you're prepared to lose when you go into an investment. Whether you're investing in something for 10 years, for 1 day, for 10 minutes, if you know that my maximum loss is X, you are fine. So it's just having a plan before you enter into a position.
Yeah, nice. Now, are there any other key tips that you have?
I've got lots.
Well, let's try and do 3 for this,
Okay,
and
cool.
then let's not overwhelm our new top
Yeah,
trader out there.
totally. The first thing is that I like to do is once I know what I want to do, or once I know that I'm ready to execute, I'm entering the competition, I'll just scan some charts. You can go and, if you've got, Stake is 3,300 odd stocks and ETFs, you're not going to just be able to go to the financial statements of all of them. And you want to be able to move from position to position, especially in a 6 week period to move. So a chart helps you quickly get a good grasp of what's happening with the company or the share. And most importantly, you're not buying the company really. If you're buying what the price is, you want to buy something at X and sell it at X plus Y.
Yeah.
That's how you make money. So a chart tells you, is this generally moving in the right direction? So if the chart goes from bottom left to top right, it's pretty healthy. It's going from top left to bottom right, it's not so healthy.
Yeah.
So that's just a quick way to scan. Is that a position I want to be in?
Yeah.
And that's just, obviously there's a lot more to it than that, but that's just a general I have.
Yeah. Now, people can get overwhelmed by charts and not really understand them. Do you have a particular, time frame or particular chart you recommend people use?
It all depends on what your risk appetite is, and if you don't like volatile, then don't go into volatile stocks because you're just not going to be able to handle your emotions. So everyone's different, but that's just a general rule. A stock going from bottom left to top right is generally going to keep going that direction. So you don't stand in front of a moving train. Right, if something's in movement, it's probably going to continue.
Yeah.
This guy said it, right?
So don't stand in front of the moving train to try and jump on it and ride it
Exactly.
off.
Yeah, and don't try to catch a falling knife. That's the other thing. So the chart's going like that.
Yeah.
It's pretty much what he said.
Okay.
And he's a lot smarter than me, so that's what he said.
All right, so we've got cut your losses,
Yeah.
use charts, and try and get stocks that are going up.
Yeah, that's right.
What's your third key tip?
Average up, not down. I think everyone's got this theory of it's going to keep buying lower because it's cheaper and cheaper. But if there's something wrong with the stock, there's something wrong with the stock.
Yeah.
And as we've seen that a number of occasions, I don't know how many of you out there were there during the GFC, but the stock market fell, I'll bounce back again, get falling. I'll buy some more here, get falling. And then you're like at the end of it, you're like, what's going on here? I've literally just bought this share the whole way down. Whereas what you should do in anything in life is if things are moving in the right direction, keep doing it.
Yeah.
If you're exercising and it's working for you, keep doing more of it, right? If you're eating well, and you keep eating well. You don't have to stop and go back and do the bad old habits. If you're losing on a trade, don't buy more.
Yeah.
You should be getting out and finding the next one. But if you're winning on a trade, add to it. There's nothing, you can have one winner that makes your whole year, your whole 6 weeks. So that's fine.
Takes you all the way to New York.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And back again.
Yeah.
It's return flights, remember?
So if we sum up, it's cut your losses, use charts to find stocks that are going up, and when you find those stocks that are going up, keep averaging into them.
Absolutely. Yeah, back a winner, keep backing it. If you found a winner, keep backing it.
So cut your losers, back your winners. That's the big thing.
That is the crux of it's at what you do in life.
Yeah.
Right? Trading is no different, investing is no different. You do that in every other aspect of your life. You do it here, you'll be fine.
There you go. Some trading advice and a little bit of life advice
Yeah, totally.
from Matt.
Don't take the life advice.
And if you want more detail on any of the terms or any of the themes that Matt and I spoke about today, we're going to have heaps more videos and podcasts coming out. So jump on to equitymates.com or nexttoptrader.com.au to watch and listen to them all.